friend said the other day we were making these, and she said, "That's a lot of stuff on there." Well, it's rather like having your whole meal on a slice of bread. We're going to add some slices of egg. Let's see if I can do this nicely without making a big. And a couple of slices of cucumber. You've got to get your veggies in. And then we take this is Gavelux smoked salmon. And so now we're going to make a little cone out of the lemon slice, because when you have fish, you usually have lemon on it. That goes on, and then we have some little sauce here. It's a dill and lemon sauce. That goes right on top. And again, because it's fish, we want our slice of dill. And there we have it.
Did you grow up eating this?
Yes, I did. And others.
Which is your preference? Do you like the salmon or do you like the
Oh, I like them both. When I'm in Denmark, I eat seafood.
And what would you pair this dish with?
This is all by itself. To drink, oh well, you would probably have akvavit or schnapps and beer. Yes.